everyone. Today we are starting off with a FNAF toy review.
Captain
A
Foxy.
Walmart exclusive.
Walmart exclusive.
Now, you might be wondering, why would we start off a video from a very long time, which we are very sorry for not uploading in a while. We've just been busy with school. So we are very sorry, and I do not like starting off with toy reviews.
Me too. Me too. Really, me too.
This guy, Captain Foxy, has been all the other toys from this series has been released in October, and right now it's December of 2021, and we find it right now. So technically, I'm just really mad of how this toy right here appears on shelves
Out of
at
nowhere.
our local Walmart out of nowhere. So before we started recording this, we cut the box already because we don't want you guys to be waiting so long, like the last one on Roxanne Wolf and Montgomery Gator's toy review of the box struggling to open. So yeah, we already opened it.
I want to do this part. Okay.
Okay, I'll hold the camera then. So
You cut this part.
Yeah, that's one of our family members here to help. So, then. Now, no, don't do that. Pull it out. Push it from the back of his head. Please, John, you need help.
No, it's okay.
Sure. Don't break the box. Don't break the clothing.
We start off with one hand coming off once more. Yay.
Wait. Let me see something. Are the legs sturdy? Yes, they are. I am so happy because one of the first Foxy, FNAF 1 Foxy's legs is a lot wiggle. So, let me take over now. Over.
Alright. I want to hold.
Oh, come on. But I want to hold. He's mine. Fine. But as you can see, he has a pirate hat. Not like the first FNAF 1 Foxy. He has a pirate. He has a captain clothes, or whatever this is called, a vest. And he has a pirate hook, an endoskeleton hand, and pretty sturdy legs, which I really like about that.
Me too.
Funko.
Thank you.
I like the feather on top of his hat, if you can see right there. And it's so original, and I really like it. So,
But here's the bad thing, guys.
yeah, that'll be a problem. So you guys have to be careful when you take out and put back the arm, because you don't want that to break.
This toy is actually very stuffed in.
It's sturdy.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, guys, we hope you enjoyed this. Again, we are very sorry for uploading very late or for a while.
His head's so,
strong.
Yeah, I love this.
Please like and subscribe and maybe share if you want. That's your choice, not ours. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will be uploading the Christmas special tomorrow, unfortunately, so we are very sorry. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas! Where's my ship?